Hey guys, it's Mary. I just received the April Everything kit from Spellbinders. So wanted to share that with you. Okay, so the first thing we have is a Glimmer Leaf panel, which is the Glimmer of the Month. And then it came with, this is called Blush foil, and it makes a panel, hence the word panel. And I've seen it this, so I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it takes two to make a full size, so you can do like a half one and then just have the plain up on top. But you can see right here where they put the two panels together. So, and then they talk about doing the halfway. So it's really pretty. And then it also comes with the die, so that you can cut out like this area right here. See how they've done it, so that you can have individual leaves, which I think would be really pretty with some flowers. This is a little bit busy for my taste, but I love being able to cut the flowers out. So that was the Glimmer of the Month. And then the stamp and die of the month is called Friendship Garden. This one has 6 clear stamps. It's really cute. And it has a little stamp border. It says, "You're a wonderful friend. Thanks for just being you. Hello, you. Happy birthday to you." And then it's got all the dies to cut out the flowers and this part. This, it doesn't say. All right, so this is, let me see if I can do this. This is the whole thing. This is the little banner type thing. This is this flower here. And I think this looks like it might be this flower here. So I'll have to check that out, but I believe that's the way. That's what, I believe that's right. And the punch, the small die is the punch and pierce borders, which I think is cool because all of these are interchangeable, so that you can make any kind of pattern that you want. And then this is to cut the bottom, cuts the whole thing or just the top. So let's see if you can see how they've done. So they've done the top and then they've done the bottom. I think it's very pretty. And then the stitch of the month is called Stitched Fanfare, and it has 4 U words. I think this is really pretty. I don't know that I would use this color with these. I like this color, but you know, that's just personal preference. But I think it's pretty creative the way they've done this. They layered it. And no, I have not stitched any of the ones, but I'm going to give it a try someday. So the large die of the month is punch and pierce frame and sentiments. And it looks like, where's my ruler? Looks like the inside of this frame is about a little less than 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And so it shows the different ways that you can cut it. Oh, they've made a shaker card over here. So let's see. Okay, so it says, for you, hello, best, that's friend, wishes. So best wishes, best friend, for you, and hello. I like this zigzag just by itself. They don't show the zigzag by itself, but that's kind of cool. All right, so the embossing folder, okay, so the 3D embossing folder is called 3D Patchwork. It's busy. It's very busy, but you could emboss, then you can cut this strip off here and use that as a strip on something. So use that in the middle. I definitely would not use it all on a card front because it is super busy. And since their embossing folders are so big, you got enough, you know, because it's big enough for a 5x7 or a slimline. So, and then the regular embossing folder is called Seamless Floral Background. And it looks like this. Oh, that's not my favorite, but it's not bad. All right, so the last thing is the kit of the month, and it is called Happy Skies Ahead. So let's get everything out. All right, oh, pretty colors for the card panels. Happy Skies Ahead. So they show a birthday card, how to do the birthday card, and then this is a just a generic card. These two are all a little bit busy, but you know, the senior cards that I sent out this month, I used one of the card kits, the one that had the little green plants and stuff, and I just, you know, did it to my likings, and they were quick, and I think they, those who received it, I'm sure enjoyed getting it. So let's see, besides the card bases on the envelopes, let's see what else we've got. I am getting ready to go on a cruise, and I am going to bring one of these with me. So when there's downtime and if I want to, I've got something to take. Since it comes with everything, you know, it comes with the paper tape. It comes with 3D foam. I figure all I need to do is bring, oh, these are pretty. All I need to do is bring a little pair of scissors and a little liquid glue. So All right, so this one comes with little stripe alphabet and numbers that are a little like thin chipboard. More chipboard. Those are cute. And these are little, they were baby puffies, but I think they're chipboard too. This is Hello Sunshine, the best yet. Happy birthday, my mind squeeze. Thank you. Be bright, be you. Celebrate thinking of you. Hurrah, loved, shine, enjoy. Happy place, you bring the sunshine. Beautiful. Best friend, such a cutie. Life is sweet. Have a sweet day. Think happy, be happy. Seek sunshine. All kinds of little sayings. Let's take a look at the paper. So, let me know in comments if you've been getting the everything, or if you just get one or two of the different monthly clubs. Cute little strawberries. Knotted wood. Little happy face suns. Oh, those are supposed to be hearts. This is interesting. Gingham. Glasses, cherries, canned fruit, stripes, hearts, sweetness, laughter. Very springy. Whoops. And then, of course, the little cutouts. There's always so many in these. Look at little teapots, simply the best. Little oranges, birthday candles, cell phones, rainbows, houses, all kinds of goodies in here. Oh, look at how cute. Little bear with the sunglasses. A blue bird of happiness. Little houses. Big flowers. Pretty balloons. What's down here? Straw babies, as my granddaughter calls them. Flowers. It's a good day. Those are cute little, that looks like little Polaroid pictures. Did I just date myself with the word Polaroid? That's all right, because I am as old as dirt. Oh, look, cherries. Just a hodgepodge of stuff, it looks like. I'm not feeling, except for some fruit, I'm not feeling a real theme here, so it just keeps coming. Big candle. Oh, what's this one here? Picnic basket. Big house. Big houses, little houses. Oh, here's an interesting one. Dress on a hanger. See, I'm not feeling a running theme here, but... All right, so that is it. So, if you just get some or one of the kits, let me know which one. And if you get the whole thing, let me know how you like it. I just signed up for Altenews everything. Oh, it's actually with them. It's called the Ultimate. And I will be doing a video on that, but I have to wait because when you subscribe, you get a month in advance. So what the kit that I just got won't be released to the public until next month. So I have to wait to be able to show that to you. So that's different than how this is exactly what, you know, it's April, and this is the April stuff that you can get. So I also signed up for Tailored Expressions has a quad club, and I just signed up for that. So I'm not sure. I am debating whether I will continue with the Spellbinders or not. I have to weigh my odds, options, and decide what I want to do. So I may get one more. I may not. It depends on how. I'm actually going to wait until I get back from my cruise and see how much I've used from these kits. You know, from the Spellbinders clubs. So yeah, let me know if you belong, what your favorite kit club is. All right, so that's it. April Ultimate or everything kit from Spellbinders. So yeah, it's I don't think I'm impressed as a January and I think February. I know January was one of my favorites. This one not so much, but we'll give it a try. So all right, so that's it. So thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell, and that will send you notifications when there's a new video to be watched. And then you can decide then whether you want to watch it or not, because it'll tell you what it is. All right, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.